Unlike other humanoid robots on the market, which are typically designed for specific tasks like rescue operations or manufacturing, Optimus is a versatile robot with the ability to adapt to different environments and perform a wide range of tasks. In a warehouse setting, Optimus can easily transport boxes and organize inventory. In the hospital, it assists with patient care, pushes wheelchairs, and reminds patients to take their meds. And at home, it can act as your personal chef, a cleaner, and a diligent helper all in one. But perhaps the most exciting feature is its ability to learn and improve over time. This is what sets Optimus apart from the competition. As we approach the year's end, Optimus continues to showcase its potential, gearing up for the release of Gen 3. Discover more now. Welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us by subscribing to the channel to keep us motivated to keep making more updated videos about Tesla EVs as well as the Optimus robot. We'd be very grateful, and we thank you already for watching this far. Tesla Optimus just stunned the tech world with its new hands, catching a tennis ball with incredible accuracy in real time. Compared to all its rivals, Optimus stands out not just for its advanced technology, but also because it has the world's most powerful robot brain and a unique ability to mass produce, something no other company has been able to achieve so far. Tesla's getting closer to its goal of creating a future where robots don't just assist in everyday life, but Elon's got even bigger plans for the robot, alongside making it more successful than EVs. Tesla's infused the incredible learning power of FSD into Optimus's brain. Each unit of Optimus runs on the same hardware and software as a Tesla vehicle. It can also navigate autonomously using the same object recognition and learning capabilities that Tesla cars use every day. Optimus learns by observing humans doing tasks or can be taught how to do something via remote. Elon has also mentioned that eventually it'll be able to watch videos and learn how to perform tasks from them. So far, about 100 Optimus have been produced, and Tesla plans to ramp that production to over at least 1,000 robots by the middle of next year. We think 2,000 is quite feasible if they include the Gen 1 version of Optimus. As Elon's repeatedly revealed, Tesla's got some very ambitious plans for Optimus. He envisions a future where there will be 2 humanoid robots for every person on the planet, coming with a production goal of 10 to 20 billion humanoid robots, with Tesla aiming to build at least 100 million per year or more. And because of this, Elon insists that Optimus will be Tesla's biggest offering. Right now, Tesla is still working on refining the decision of Optimus for the upcoming version. They also need to train Optimus many times before it becomes fully autonomous by next year, which is why large-scale production hasn't started yet and we gotta wait till next year. Elon's mentioned that it'll cost less than a car, around $20,000 when mass production begins. Similar to the Cybertruck, this means that the first buyers of the Tesla bot will face higher costs for the initial production runs, which we think will be around 50 Gs. Eventually, Tesla will cut the cost as they make more units. We expect this to happen by 2027 or 2028. Now, Elon has repeatedly emphasized that the starting price for Optimus will just be a cool 20 Gs. Pretty impressive compared to the other robots that range anywhere from 60 to over 100K. This price kind of seems too good to be true. Many people are skeptical about its feasibility, especially since Elon failed to deliver on timelines and pricing for previous Tesla models more than just once, leading to a lack of trust among consumers, making them believe that the $20,000 price tag for Optimus could just be a dream, and even if it does happen, it might get pushed back to as late as 2030. Also, many people believe Optimus will likely end up costing much more than initially promised because making advanced humanoid robots requires technology, materials, and just complex processes. This skepticism contributes to a decline in interest in Optimus, as they just don't think reasonable pricing are going to become a reality anytime soon. So the reason people aren't too fond of Optimus partly stems from Elon sharing a lot about it without actually giving real proof, making the majority very doubtful. Truth is, even if Optimus were priced at somewhere to $10,000, even as low as $5,000, if it just functions as a toy, no one's trying to buy that. Besides, the fact that Optimus's usefulness hasn't yet been proven, another reason people dislike it is the potential danger. We think most of us have read or at least watched at least one sci-fi movie about humanoid robots. For instance, Terminator or I, Robot. That's instilled fears that robots might not only serve us, but could also overthrow and control humanity, having us serve them. Even Elon warned about intelligent machines rebelling against humanity, just like in the Terminator movie, and that they could be more dangerous than nukes if used maliciously. That's why Tesla wants to make a robot that's as safe and friendly as possible. one that will always be controlled by the system. Therefore, we believe this isn't what people are really worried about. Instead, there's more concern about how Optimus might lead to job losses when these robots are deployed not just in Tesla factories, but other big corporations. Back in 2016, Elon said, "Robots will take your jobs, the government will have to pay your wage." So what does that mean?
But we expect to have several thousand Optimus robots produced and doing useful things by the end of next year in the Tesla factories. And then in 2026, ramping up production quite a bit. And at that point, we'll be providing Optimus robots to outside customers.
After Tesla laid off 14,000 people at its factories, the labor issue's gotten even more sensitive. What if more layoffs continue down the road as Elon brings in thousands of robots to replace actual workers? Big companies like Amazon, Pepsi, Walmart, and FedEx might also be buying Optimus to integrate into their operations. That's a real concern many people have about the Optimus robot. In the future, physical work will be a choice, Elon said. If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it. We can't deny the reality that as automation technology gets more widespread, some manual or repetitive jobs that once required human effort could be replaced by robots. Workers in roles like assembly, material handling, or product inspection may face the risk of getting replaced if robots like Optimus can perform these tasks with higher efficiency and accuracy. It's insane that Optimus is marketed as a promising solution to overcome the limitations of human labor. With its 2.3 kilowatt battery pack, it can operate continuously for more than 8 hours without needing breaks, vacation time, health insurance, and that could significantly reduce factory operating costs. The jobs most at risk of being replaced are typically your simple repetitive tasks that require low-skill level workers. In this case, Optimus could take on roles that previously required many workers to do it manually.
But I think like next year, my prediction is next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla.
This is exactly what people are scared of with Optimus, that these robots will eventually replace humans in the workplace. That might not be possible right now, but none of us know how far they could advance in the future. Although the majority hold this viewpoint, we believe that Optimus or humanoid robots in general aren't going to lead to widespread unemployment. They'll only change the labor market. In terms of the tech, a factory filled with robots instead of human workers is at least a decade away, if not longer. You should know that when personal computers were first introduced 40 years ago, many people thought that office workers would become obsolete because computers could automate a lot of the repetitive tasks that humans did. Yet that didn't happen. Instead, as computers took over some of those jobs, office workers were assigned different tasks, boosting the company's productivity and leading to more revenue and higher profits. Also, according to a 2014 survey by U.S. companies, the biggest impact of robots in manufacturing is that they will create new job opportunities for workers. Instead of moving heavy parts or performing mundane tasks, workers can learn how to program and maintain those machines, along with a growing need for specialized skill in managing automated systems, creating exciting opportunities that never existed before. Example: Elon has confirmed that Tesla will be able to produce billions of Optimus robots, with a ratio of robots to human beings being 1-to-1, maybe even 2-to-1. This means that in the future, each person owns one robot, sometimes even more than one. Elon is becoming increasingly ambitious with Tesla Optimus, once confidently stating that this would be the single product that turns Tesla into a $25 trillion, that's right, trillion-dollar company. He envisions it as a single product that everyone will own at least one of, ultimately leading Tesla to selling billions of robots priced at $20K each. At this point, you might laugh, thinking Elon is once again indulging in his habit of exaggeration, something he's done quite a few times when talking EVs. However, in a miraculous way, Elon's bold claims are gradually aligning with reality, and 2025 could be the year this robot becomes the focus of the global media. The lead engineer of the Tesla Bot project recently made a bold statement that has piqued some interest. So, what's going to happen, and how will these robots be changing the world? Will they take away our jobs?
But I think like next year, my prediction is next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla.
Oh my goodness! Thousands of robots in a gigafactory is something we never imagined. This could mean Tesla might lay off employees in unnecessary positions and replace them with Optimus. On a more optimistic note, Tesla might simply assign Optimus to departments that are short-staffed for training purposes without actually laying anyone off. That sounds like a much better scenario to us. However, 1,000 robots, that's a big number, and from what we know, Tesla's already built at least 100 units and brought 43 of them to the We Robot event in October. The rest are still in the factory for further development. These prototypes are very likely among the robots that could get deployed in Tesla's factories next year. According to Milan Kovac, lead engineer for the Tesla Bot project, he confirmed on X, the team works very hard to make these amazing things happen. This upcoming year is going to be so unbelievable. Elon Musk also announced, easy move to connect AI vision with arm actuation to catch autonomously will be done next quarter. We are just testing the actuation and sensor system here. We believe that Optimus could also use its sensors and cameras to inspect surface quality, ensure proper finishes, and detect flaws that humans might easily overlook. It could leverage recognition technology and barcode scanning to track inventory. Plus, it could patrol the factory at night. Yeah, and that's just scratching the surface of its potential roles. Now, let's talk about the cost advantages of deploying Optimus robots on a large scale in Tesla factories. Specifically, the advantages it offers over human workers. With Optimus Gen 2, it can already do things like receive packages, get items out of the trunk, fold laundry, water plants, handle smooth objects like eggs or batteries, and even use the computer. It can also jump, squat, navigate through offices, and go upstairs with astonishingly natural movement. As we know, Optimus is the product that represents Tesla's biggest AI technology. The brain of Optimus, according to Elon, is a leading brain in AI and no competitor can compare with Tesla. Not only the brain, we bet that you can't find any robot out there that has as beautiful and human-like design as the Optimus. The new design of Gen 3 is going to be a masterpiece by year's end, and we don't know what Tesla will change when Gen 2 is already practically perfect. Elon didn't reveal much when he wrote on X that the new Optimus design, which will be completed later this year, is something special. Basically, we think Optimus has finished upgrading his 22 degrees of freedom hand, a hand that belongs to the Gen 3 version. Optimus's movement speed has also increased in the last couple of months, and Tesla said that they got one final update for Optimus later this year. All in all, there's a lot going on with this robot in the last 2 months of the year, so it's definitely worth looking forward to. During this time, Tesla's also been regularly updating the process of Optimus. The recent demo video has demonstrated that it can climb stairs, marking a significant advancement in mobility. Even more notably, its ability to self-charge and analyze the surrounding environment allows Optimus to navigate a wider variety of terrains. You can see it perform many tasks, such as opening the trunk of a car and getting out luggage, handing items to staff, or carrying a heavy battery tray, all of which showcases the hard work and effort of Tesla's bot team. Elon recently said that he believes that AI capabilities are increasing at a rate of 100 times a year and predicted that even in 4 years, the world can expect AI to be 10,000 times better than it is today. And another crazy claim Elon continues to make is that Optimus will be so numerous that it could be considered a planet of robots. Specifically, Elon said, I think by 2040, probably there are more humanoid robots than people. Every country will have an AI or multiple AIs, and there will be a lot of robots, way more than people. Oh my goodness. Now, this doesn't seem to be the first time that Tesla's CEO has made bold statements about the population of robots. Previously, Musk also asserted that everyone in the world would want to own an Optimus or even more than one, leading to a potential ratio of robots to humans being equal. Since Optimus has not yet hit the market, it's clear we can't determine the demand for these robots or how many people are going to want to buy one. Elon repeatedly expressed confidence that these robots will soon get commercialized at a very attractive price, only around 20 to 30 grand, when that's half the price of a Tesla EV, stating that at this price, anyone could own a versatile assistant capable of performing various tasks. He is also quite confident that in the not-too-distant future, robots will become an essential part of daily life and could even replace humans in different fields. In the discussion, Elon also notes that he believes AI will be able to do anything that humans can do in the next 1 to 2 years, and by 2028, AI will have the capability to do what all humans combined could do with a total population of 8 billion people. This makes us truly believe that a future where humans live is a paradise-like state that could become a reality. At that point, people wouldn't need to lift a finger as robots and machines will do everything. Humans would only need to eat, enjoy, and relax. In such a future, every elderly person and child could have a personal robot caregiver. When you look at all the tasks that Optimus can currently do, it's clear that it's going to need a few more years to become fully useful. Tesla released the first prototype back in 2022, so it's quite early in their journey toward that goal. Ultimately, Optimus will be able to do a wide range of tasks to support us humans. But when talking about the large number of robots in the world, let's be frank, it's still a story of the distant future. We can't be sure whether Tesla can actually do all that or not. Personally, I'm kind of skeptical due to the fact that many people are still kind of scared, even averted to humanoid robots. Many people still feel shy and worried at the prospect of robots attacking humans, kind of like a Terminator scenario in sci-fi movies. And in the end, not everybody can afford to buy an Optimus, even at a selling price point of 20 grand. So while Elon might be painting an attractive picture, for now, his claim still seems a bit crazy. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.